Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة فمن بدله بعدما سمعه فإنما إثمه على الذين يبدلونه إن الله سميع عليم. Translation: Then whoever changes it will, after having heard it, then sin is upon those who changes it. For indeed Allah is all hearing and all knowing. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that when the will is made, the dead man the dead man has done everything in good faith. But wherever there is an oral testament, as it was very common at that time, there is always a danger of the witness going back from what he had heard. The lying witness escapes from the grip of the law, but not from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah knows and hears everything. So, the dying man may make a wasiyah in writing, which may be more difficult to change, but he may also make a wasiyah or orally, and that can be easily changed, and that person who is changing it to gain some worldly benefit may escape this the law of the world, but may not be able to escape from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he will not be escaped from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when a dying man has made the will, he has done his job, and whatever happens after his death, he is not responsible about that, and only those who are making those changes and cheating, doing the cheating, they will be responsible for that. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and Islam. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.